Okay, folks, this is how I service these air conditioners nowadays. This is obviously low on refrigerant, and first thing I look at is the plug. If the plug looks like it's in good shape, we'll give the air conditioner a chance. If that plug's burned, throw it out. I don't care if it runs. Alright, this one's obviously low on refrigerant, and inside of here I can see a valve. If not, I can always put a valve in it, but I don't take these cases off anymore. All I do is cut them open. Really, your best bet is to go to Home Depot and buy a new one. They're so much more efficient. You can even get a remote with it. All kinds of neat stuff. This is kind of making do with what's left, and the rest of them are going by the wayside. And I can see a valve in there. See that valve? So I'm going to get onto that, see what my pressures look like. And sure enough, I got my Harbor Freights here today, and we're pulling into a vacuum. So we have to add a little refrigerant to that, and it'll be accessible. We're not going to leak check or try to find leaks. We'll put a little in, see how long it lasts. We'll do a quick vacuum and restart. Alright, I'll let it sit for a little bit. I didn't see any big leaks or anything, so we're going to go ahead and charge this up. I'm hooked up to my tank, so I'm a little